Hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how to use a nose pore cleansing strip in a correct way. So I supposed to use a Dr. Rachel Tea Tree nose pore cleansing strip. First of all, you have to wash your face properly using a cleanser or from a face wash. It should be ideal to your skin type, and then get wet again your face thoroughly, and then you are ready. Then you can put it like this and press like this, otherwise it will not get done properly. So we are done. Now we have to wait 10 to 15 minutes. Then all the whiteheads and blackheads will be absorbed by this strip. Let's see after 10 to 15 minutes. You can use your 10 to 15 time in a better way. You can read a book, you can read a magazine, or you can listen to a song, so whatever. Hello, 15 minutes is almost done. So let's remove this. I can see some blackheads and whiteheads on this that has been removed. Normally, I need to mention this. So normally, I daily basis, I follow my skincare routine. I think in a better way. Like I follow the morning care routine and the evening care routine. Simply, I'm using a cleanser or a face wash and a toner, a serum, one or two serums, and a moisturizer and a sunscreen. The same way I'm using the same products to the night except the sunscreen. So the blackheads and the whiteheads are in my face is lesser than a normal one who is not following a correct skincare routine. So I suppose you to follow a skincare routine, and also twice a week you can use this kind of nose pore cleansing strip. And if you need to buy a recommended best imported nose pore cleansing strip, so what you want to do is you just call us or you just WhatsApp me and we will deliver to your doorstep. Always use very quality branded authentic products, because you are using all of these to your body for your skin. If you do it in a wrong way, or if you use any harsh chemicals, if you use any non-branded cheap things, your skin might get damaged and your life will be miserable. Thank you.